AppSheets versus PowerApps. In today's video, we are going to review AppSheet and PowerApps. So let's get started. First, we will compare their features and then we will decide which is best for use. AppSheet is best for small to medium businesses, Google users, simple apps, and fast development, while PowerApps is best for large enterprises, Microsoft users, complex and highly customized applications. AppSheet is easier to use, it is simpler, more intuitive, and for non-technical users, while PowerApps is more technical but offers a polished interface with pre-built templates. Let's talk about their customization. AppSheet is more limited customization for complex workflows, while PowerApps offers extensive customization capabilities. AppSheet has strong integration with Google services, but Power Apps have seamless integration with the Microsoft ecosystem and other Microsoft tools. AppSheet focused on small businesses may not scale as effectively for large enterprises, and Power Apps has strong enterprise-level scalability. Let's talk about their cost. AppSheet generally more affordable with free tiers and lower pricing models, while Power Apps can be more expensive, especially with many users or applications. AppSheet has basic automation features, but Power App has robust automation features for complex processes. AppSheet is better for simple, data-driven applications with Google services, while PowerApp is the choice for highly customized enterprise-level application, especially within the Microsoft ecosystem. And that's all about AppSheet and PowerApps. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.